Hey everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to walk inside the 99-cent store. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough to see what goodies I can find for the day. And the first thing I see are these cute pumpkins for $1.99. I think these bowls are so cute. The pumpkin, the owl, and they even have a mummy with a spider. How cute is that? And here is the cute skulls. I really like these pumpkins. They're really soft and cushiony. They remind me of the ones that you can find at the dollar spot at Target. However, I think those were maybe $3 and these are 99 cents, and you get a variety of colors. I thought these velvet plates were really cute. I love the red on it, and then they also have black. And these cute little trays right here would be perfect for the center of a table at a party. Bon appetit. Okay, so when I saw this, I just laughed. Look at his hair. It looks like he has a little afro and it's all flowy. Look at that. How funny. These pictures actually light up. They have an on-off switch on the side. I thought they were cute canvas pictures for $4.99. They had a really nice variety of them. I really like this one right here. That would be really nice if you decorate your home for Halloween. They even have scarecrows. Boo. They are super cute. The stick could be a little longer. It's really short, but however, I think these are really cute. This one was my favorite. Look at her little shirt. How cute. I bought 2 of these jumbo foam bath rugs, I think like last year, and I really, really love them. I bought the gray ones and they're in my kitchen. I also purchased this carousel of spices, like it's a 12-jar spice rack. I absolutely love this thing. I still have it till this day, and it's very convenient. So here we are at some of the makeup, and I never really go through this box because as you can see it is a mess. However, they do have some really good items in here for $1.99, but it's just people open up the makeup and it just gets really messy, so I usually pass this up. Here we have some henna hair dye. This one is in natural chestnut. I thought this was really cool. I was almost considering trying it. I have never dyed my hair before, but if I do, I would think that I would go with the henna. And then they also have raven black. Here are some cute lip smacker little bags with 3 lip glosses, and I think there was like a fingernail polish in there. It was really, really cute for 99 cents. That's definitely a good deal. And they still have some of the Maybelline Color Jolt. I had never known that lip smackers made little fingernails for kids, but I thought these were really cute. How cute is this hat? I have 2 hats that is kind of close to this, so I went ahead and left it there, but I love the colors of that. And these cute satin slides will go with that perfect. I absolutely fell in love with these candle holders. They are so cute. I did not buy any that day, but I am thinking about going back, and they have the 3 colors. I just thought these were really pretty. Maybe I can do a DIY project with those. Here you have some floral string lights, and these are so cute. They have them in white. They are $1.99. And I also see pink right there and blue as well. And then they even have some cute unicorn lights on a string as well. And those are $2.99. Look at these beautiful bowls. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors on there. They're $3.99. They have the gold sparkle throughout, and then they have different colors. So as you can see, that one had a tint of yellow. This one is more brown. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? They also had a red one back there, which I couldn't pull out, and also a green one, a dark green. Very, very pretty. I was so tempted to purchase this. I had to stop myself. It is for Winnie the Pooh, and of course I call Pooh Bear Pooh Bear. And it had a cute little fragrance. The honey pot was like a fragrance, and then there was like a body lotion or something. But I passed. And then here you have these cute hand soaps, the Rock, Gem, and Sparkle. I thought that was really cute. Those would be great stocking stuffers. So I recently purchased one of these. It's a wash chopping board, and it is collapsible. It is one of those things that I was like, where have you been at all my life? Like, I should have had one of those a long time ago. It is awesome. And I also purchased this knife when I purchased the cutting board, and this thing is so sharp. It is amazing. So if you have a 99-cent store, go and look for those 2 items. And that is it for today's walkthrough. I just wanted to see what was in the store. I haven't been here in a minute. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all later.